going on, Mr. Toof Mukbanger? We are back. We're trying out a couple other things here at lunch. We're at Chopsticks. We got Chopsticks. I got Chopsticks. I just filmed a 45 to 55 minute video on the Carnival Miracle. All of the inside deck 1, 2, and 3, and a portion of deck 9. So it's all inside of the ship. And so I still got to do the exterior or the outside part of the ship. Those decks are going to come a little later tonight or tomorrow. So I wanted to show off some of the food that I got here. I'm trying out a couple things. Wanted to see what the Asian fare is like here on the Carnival Panorama. As you know, on Miracle, on the Panorama we had Gigi's Kitchen, which was excellent. So this is more of like a station that's here at the Lido, that's catered to Asian type of dishes. So we'll see. A couple dishes that I got was the beef bulgogi, which is this one. I got the fish with black bean sauce, some lo mein, chicken lo mein or chow mein is what they call it here, mushroom fried rice, and some fried wonton. So I just wanted to see what it's like. It's pretty late in the afternoon, so I'm sure it's not super hot. Beef bulgogi. Nothing to scream about, but the bell peppers are so good. Oh, check this bell pepper out. I'm using a different, I'm not using my camera, guys. I'm using Samsung 21 as I'm filming this. Not bad. The meat is pretty tasty. Is it even recording? Alright, so, like I said, we're eating here. It is recording. Alright, let's get into this chow mein or lo mein. On the West Coast, we know this as chow mein, but on the East Coast, people say lo mein. So, I'm West Coast, so for me, it's chow mein. Let's test it out. It's a little hard. The noodles are a little hard. There's something in the flavor of the sauce in it that's throwing me off. I don't know what it is. I don't know. Alright, let's go into this black bean fish. I only got one little piece, guys. Black bean fish. And that's good. It doesn't look appetizing, guys. Again, it's late in the afternoon. Not late in the afternoon, but it's past 2 o'clock. So, I think it's like 3 o'clock now. So the food is not like super fresh. Probably whatever's left there is what's left. So, but the flavor is there. There's some broccoli. Yeah, the lo mein, no. Let's try this mushroom fried rice. Again, it's okay. Gigi's Kitchen on the Panorama was awesome. Maybe they should consider doing like a Gigi's Kitchen Express, having that type of menu on the Miracle. Yeah. This Asian fare is not appetizing at all. Okay, next is a fried wonton. Dip it in this sweet and sour here, guys. Check that out. That's what I'm talking about. There's some shrimp in there, guys. There's some really good shrimp in there. That's good. That's not crispy. But not crispy anymore. A little bit. A little bit. Shrimp fell out. Yeah, shrimp. I can handle that. Alright, well, I think I'm done. I'll give you my honest review. Chopsticks is not it. I'm glad there's Asian fare on this ship, but I would highly recommend to do a Gigi's Kitchen Express. I think that would be awesome. Bringing that Mongolian wok into play. Just to guarantee that there's some good people, some good food on the Asian side. All right. Take a little sip, guys. I'm gonna do a little shopping, I think, and then I think we're gonna film our bar crawl. So much more to film, guys. See you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.